Hey everyone, Leanne here from healthfulpursuit.com, and if you are a keto lady or you're wanting to be, January is dedicated to busting through the myths of keto and sorting out fact from fiction, which is why I am holding a free training on Wednesday, January 9th. Join me to get the truth behind the 3 stubborn keto lies that are keeping you stuck and holding you back, plus answers to top questions, including why even the most dedicated keto women struggle to get traction on the ketogenic diet, plus how 3 simple strategies might be all that you need to start seeing better results. This live training is so good, plus it comes with a free worksheet, Beyond Weight, Tracking Your Success. You don't want to miss this free training because I'm only doing it for the 1 day, so you can click up here or down below, register, then add it to your calendar. Now remember, this is a free event. I wanted to create it so I could help you bust through the myths that are keeping you out of ketosis, the ups and downs of the dieting roller coaster, the out of control carb binges, and also that you can get better sleep, better health, better confidence, less cravings, better digestion, and more weight loss. You don't want to miss this. So up here, click there, register, or down below, add it to your calendar, and I will see you there. Bye.